Bullet SpongeBob, and this is World of Warships with Bullet SpongeBob. How y'all doing again today, tonight, tomorrow, or when the hell ever
Let's get to it.
else you're turning into. And again, I got my mods on, so you can hear my Black Swan has got the British accent, which I really can't do that well, but I'm not even gonna bother. So, we are doing another round of bathtub battles, and guess who's on the other team? TheLaalaa! I knew nothing about bathtub battling. I'm like most of you, I got to level 1, went straight to level 2, and took off and got what ships I could get on the way. Never went back. And I was watching YouTube and watching other players play and stuff like that, and I caught on to watching TheLaalaa do these bathtub battles. And what, again, like I say, if you watch my channel, bathtub battles is just your regular tier 1 cruisers, nothing else but. And like I said, going back to the bathtub battles, it's helped my game actually. It'd be slowing me down instead of just going out there and killing myself and seeing how many people I can take with me on the way. You know, and as you'll see, that's pretty much just going to come in handy.
Enemy force detected.
Oh, that's an enemy force detected. That's probably TheLaalaa way the hell over there. Good, you stay over there actually. But I'm hunting him. But he's really, really, really good. I've been watching him do this, and again, until you learn how to just chug it out there and using these islands and stuff like this and staying out of sight and not being seen by too many helps. So my plan is, you see this island over here, I'm going to go around behind our Eyrie, and God, I hate them things to shoot. They're a pain in the ass. And I'm going to go around this island and hopefully take a point out on the south side of this island. Well, actually the west side of the island, you know what I mean. Looking west, I gotta go to the south. Oh, there's one right there. So it looks like I'm gonna turn into the island a little early here. No, there's one over there too. They're a little out of my range, so they should not see me. I'm just gonna focus on this one right here. He should be detecting me anytime now. So I might as well start shooting him. Come here. Surprise. Sparky. Good name. I like it. Here, Sparky. Oh, now he detected me. Shot him 12 times. And now he detected. This is good. This is good. There's one down. I sank an enemy cruiser. Bye, Sparky. All right. Next cruiser, as I was saying, I'm going to try to just go over the other side of this island here and work myself a little bit west side of this island.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
I'm going to slowly peek my nose out there bit by bit by bit. Oh, looks like Thumbles is about to thumble the ball over there. There he goes. Thumbles leading to dying. Ha ha ha. Yep, he died. Ooh, 2 died there. So, oh boy. Yep, they're ahead. I see TheLaala's got no kills yet. He's probably way over there, that big old clusterfuck. Or he could be in this little clusterfuck that I'm staring at right here on the other side of this island. You see those little white dots? That's where they were. That's the positions that they were pointed in last they were sighted. Where they are now, well, however far they can get from where they were, I suppose. So I'm hoping that they're driving away from me so I can slowly creep around this island. They should be seeing one right now. Right there. But he's still out of range, so creep a little forward, a little bit more, bullet. Come on, you can do it. Fair enough. Patience is a virtue, they say, but boy, I'm not one patient person, I'll tell you. I'm learning. I really am learning. this is the one that is most frustrating on. By the time you see, unless your other guys are covering you, and it looks like I'm over here all by myself. Unless your guys are covering you. Shit. And because I'm sure that my guys are being seen by them. Except for that one behind the island. Well, actually, two are behind the island now. But we got two of them running around that circle, right? Defending our area. Yeah, boy. Alright, I'm going to creep out a little bit more. I'm going to do this one of these times. They're going to creep out just a little too far and go, ah, crap, ah, crap, ah, crap. You just wait. There's nobody over here but me. And the other two guys over here on the other side of that island, so they're not really going to be a whole heck of a lot of help over here. Oh. Patience, bullet. Patience. I'm going to creep a little bit closer to this island. You see that little point sticking out there? I'm going to try to aim so my bow's somewhat into that, but I can still fire over just in case. But you see this Heberlin that was directly to my port side over here that's invisible right now? He's probably going to pop out any second right there, and I'll be wide open with this hill to my side. So it's hit me or hit the hill, halfway. I should back up and wait for him to come to me. Oh. God, boy, be patient, chewing my nails, be patient, but I want the TheLaalaa. Be patient. You'll never get to the TheLaalaa if you're not patient. So there's 6 of us, 8 of them. Yeah, it's not looking good for the home team. So, alright, I'm getting over here to this little point here. Get my nose sticking out there. Yep, speed up a little bit, bullet. Not too fast, because you got to put on your brakes real quick. There's one dead ahead of you. Alright. Which is first? Which is first? Eerie. More damage can come from him. Let's get him out of the way first. Kill. Shoot. See how some of my shots are going over, but one was just catching that? Yeah, I'm going to back up here before he starts firing my way. Oh, see, yep, there's that Hamlin. I knew it. That's a little low. Oh, well. Alright, I'm just switching my guns around. I'm just switching to this Hamlin before he nails me to this damn wall. Here they come. Oh, back up, bullet. Back up. Back the hell up, bullet.
The enemy team is taken.
There's a citadel. Alright, keep them going that direction, bullet. Keep cutting in. Keep cutting into him, bullet. That's it, bullet. Keep going. You're doing good. Just don't back up and get yourself stuck. Stay close. Stay away from it. A little bit there. Alright, you know what? Before I get myself stuck, I'm just going to hit full throttle here. So, he's going to die. Bye-bye, Evelyn. Bye-bye-bye. Alright.
We destroyed an enemy cruiser.
That should keep me safe for a minute. Now, what's happened to the rest of my team? Oh, great. Do I go for their head? No, I got another one over here to my right. I'm going to back up for him. He's almost dead. They're going to get him before he get back there, but... any help that Orlin can get out there, he goes. He's gone. He's gone. Alright. A little bit better manageable odds. We are down 5-3. Oh boy. And I'm detected. Ah, crap. Yep, there he is. Oh boy. Fire bullet. No. I gotta cut too hard, which puts him out of my range. I can't shoot him either. I can try, but you can see I can fail too. I'm just gonna keep cutting and cutting and cutting. Alright. Guys, hold up the D up there. I think I should be heading back up towards you. I got 2 ships over here. Pull the same defense that we are up here. However, it looks like we got a wounded Orlin. We got a Hammerlin, which is the lunchtime snack for the TheLaalaa, if it gets him within range. And, ah, crap, they're trying to cap us already. Jeez, guys. I think you're just a little too far, and you can't see them. So, don't give me a hell of a lot of choice, because I'd love to use these islands over here, but if I try to cut through any of these, those two ships are going to see me, and that's going to leave me broadside to them. If I stay here and wait for those two to try to get those, though, they're going to be dead in the middle. Look at this. Look, there's the TheLaalaa. There he is. He's with Gander P-17. Gander, he may be dying here shortly. But I got no choice. I got to run up there. I'm coming, TheLaalaa. There, Gander's on. So, alright. Got two of us that are, oh boy, mostly dead. And a Hammerlin. Yeah. And then I have two more ships off to my port side here that's going to spot me any second. I hope they're on the other side of that island and can't see me. But no, there he is, crap. I'll never get a shot in the TheLaalaa, so I have to try to kill this guy partly. Got that one, and I got that one. I told you I had two over here. Ah, crap. Ouch. Alright, I'm going to start turning away, and I'll start taking this guy down. Easy. Look at me. All I gotta do is breathe at me, buddy, and I'm gonna die. Oh well, looks like I'm gonna probably die. Yep, there I go. Oh well. It's a shame. Now they're capping, or I should say the TheLaalaa is capping. Oh. I'm just sit here and stop my feet. Yep, there's the TheLaalaa. And there's Great Ore. Oh, that's Cotter. Where'd the TheLaalaa go? Oh, he's on the other side of this island. He was cutting for me. Dang, damn it. So it looks like they're gonna win. Yeah, this one's going to die. Any second now. Run as fast as you can. Orlin, you're dead, man. Here it comes. Boom. Oh, wow, I didn't kill him. Ah, well, this one missed. That one missed. Boy, they're having a hell of a time shooting this guy. Just call him a bad name, he'll die. Oh, and you died. All right. Oh, okay, now you died. Jeez. All right, we are done with one guy here. Oh, boy. Yeah. Someone talk about his mama, he's gonna die any second now. Let's see, 70% to 5%. Yeah, we lost. Hey, thanks for watching. This is Bull SpongeBob. See you next time. Take care.